So what we can do on this market right now, we're seeing the market is selling, right? The market is currently selling, but first let me check the 1 hour time frame just to confirm a good entry for this trade. All right, so I just zoom out right now, and from here down to this point, right now, this market has sold. So we're probably seeing a next step for a buy. Okay, we're seeing a buy position. So I'm quickly going to put in some indicators into my chart. You know me, guys, I always trade with indicators on my chart so that I can see where the price at and the next price movement. So indicator I want to put right here is the relative strength index, which is the RSI on period 14, and level at 90 at 10 and 10, just as you can see right here. All right, so this is basically the RSI indicator. Okay, so the next one, let's put on the average true range real quick. So we're going to look for the average true range indicator right here on period 14. The style is on 2 pixels, right? So we're using the average true range indicator plus the MACD. All right, plus the MACD. So these are 2 indicators. Perfect. Okay, 3 indicators we're using for this trading strategy, and I'm going to put it on the third zoom level. All right, the third zoom level right here. Okay, so what we're seeing here is that we're seeing a buy. I'm seeing a buy on this market right now. I'm seeing a buy, but I'm seeing a buy on this market. So what I'm going to do right now is to wait for a good entry point. Okay, we're seeing a buy for this market because the market is at the oversold. Okay, the markets are the oversold, so the next step is for the market to buy. Next step is for the market to buy. So I'm not following any news. What I'm strictly doing right here is technical analysis and with the use of the market trends. Okay, I'm going to put in the moving average on the main window on period 200 right here. Okay, now take a look at this pattern right here. The market trend was going downwards for a particular period of time. The market has been selling. So we're seeing a buy, an increase in price movement, which is a bullish pattern. Really quick, we're going to be seeing that on the market. So this is a good entry point for you to place a sell if you are on the market right now. This is a good entry point for you to place a sell for this type of trading analysis. Okay, for a type of market on the Euro GBP right here. All right, now this market is selling and it's going to follow the same pattern, just as you can see here. It's going to follow the same pattern just like this, going upwards, going downwards, going upwards, going downwards, just like that. And it's not a good position for you to place a buy or a sell entry unless you want to scalp the market. All right, unless you want to scalp this market, what you need to do is to, if you place a buy, then you set your stop loss. Okay, you set a stop loss if you want to scalp the market, so that when price gets to your stop loss, the market will automatically close and you end up taking your profits. All right, or less, if you have a bigger account, you might want to hold on this trade on the GBP, on Euro GBP right here, but I'm not seeing a good entry point right now. All right, I'm not seeing a good entry point. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame, and even on the 1 minute time frame here, the market is going to buy. Like I told you guys, that the market will buy. All right, it's going to buy, but it's still going to sell, following that same pattern that I showed on the 1 minute time frame. So if you want to analyze your GBP and your Euro and GBP trade, if you want to analyze the trade properly, what you need to do first is to confirm your entries, is to confirm your trade on the 1 hour time frame. Do a proper analysis on the trade. Okay, we are currently seeing a repeat in structure, in price structure on the market, right? The market have been selling, so it's going to buy. All right, now if you want to analyze your trade, always use indicators. All right, you can check the news trend as well, but you need to use some indicators on your trade for you to be able to analyze these markets properly. That's why there's always indicator. That's the use of the indicator. You need to use it on the trade. Okay, Now this MACD right here is currently giving us a signal that the market has got into the overbought. The market has got into the oversold level on the 1 minute time frame, and when price gets to this point, it's going to eventually buy. Okay, it's going to buy. But on the 1 hour time frame, on the other hand, the MACD is at the upper trend. Meanwhile, market is selling, but it's going to go upwards. Again, that's if you want to scalp this market. Okay, if you want to scalp this market, you take advantage of the small price movement, placing a stop loss and your take profits. Okay, you know how this market goes. It's not like the boom and crash market whereby you count your candlesticks. It's just going upwards, jumping from one level to another. It may even crash over, it may even crash with speed without you even knowing, with a blink of an eye. Okay, just as we are seeing here, this market is going to follow the same structure here. You place your order block at this point right here, then this market is going to buy a little bit. The market is going to buy, just as we are seeing here. It's going to buy a little bit, then it's going to sell, following the same structure again. So it's not a good entry point for either a buy or a sell. It's not a good entry point because the level where it is at the overbought, but you can place a buy at this point if you have a bigger account. All right, so this is it for Euro GBP trade right now. But if you want to analyze this trade, what you need to do is to use the indicators on your chart to analyze the trade properly, to get a good entry point for either a buy or a sell entry. And the best points for you to take a buy is when price is at the oversold. The best point to take a sell is when price is at the overbought. Okay, this is a very good indicator for you to trade this type of market. But currently right now, I'm not going to place any trade because I'm not seeing a good entry point for a buy. So I just showed you guys how to analyze the forex market on Euro GBP trade. It might be other indices, it might be on that type of currency pair, but right now in the euro and the Great British Pound market, and currently I'm not seeing a good entry point for either a buy or a sell. Okay, the market is not giving a good entry position right now. All right,